off to Ballymena today. We're going to go and see a waterfall. But before we do that, we're off to get gas because we're out 2 bottles deep. Thankfully, it ran out while on hookup. Now, we don't have central heating in this van, or gas. I'd love electrical central heating on hookup. That'd be awesome. But no, we doesn't have it. So I'm in Derry, going to the Spa, the cheapest gas provider for floor gas I have ever seen. He barely charges any profit at all. So we were in Glasgow, Lincoln here. We got charged 44 quid for 1 bottle. This guy is going to charge me 46 quid for 2. So you can see why I'm going to him. See you in a minute.
By the time we sorted our lives out and arrived in the area, we just thought, no, sod it, we're going to stay in Cushendun and go across the street to Mary McGinn's and have a couple of beers in there and listen to some classic Irish music, and then also maybe grab one of them Game of Thrones passports and start the crack with that for the following year. Once the hangover had wore off and it was safe to drive again, we headed towards the Glenariff Country Park. Found a parking spot, paid our £5 for a day's worth of parking, and then promptly got lost. Managed to find our way back again, visited the waterfall,